guys, and welcome back to another one of these What's in My Skincare Fridge videos. This one's for July of 2023. I realized I was supposed to do one of these last month and then just freaking didn't, since between last month and this month I've missed so many upload days. I've basically taken the equivalent of like a month off of uploading. Don't worry, nothing is like wrong, I just not feeling very motivated. Not even not inspired, just not motivated. So I'm trying. I'm trying to push myself to get back into the game again, but just hang with me. It might take me a bit to hit my stride again. But anyway, so we've got some different stuff in here this time, you may notice. So, on the top shelf, we're going to start there as usual. First, we have a new eye cream in here. We have the Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, which I've been using. We've also got, this is like a sample size of, what brand is this? Does it say? I guess Tailored Beauty Curl Antidote Curling Cream, Golden Herbal Collection. Herbal blend of go-to cola extract and neem oil for sleek, shiny curls. So because it's summer, I keep letting my hair air dry, but if I air dry without something like this on it, it just gets frizzy and disgusting. If I put this on it, it's still the same level of waves as I always have, but at least it's more managed. Granted, if I lean in front of the camera here right now, I forgot to use it last time, so it is in fact frizzy and disgusting right now, but I'm using this up. There's actually a good amount in here because you don't need a whole lot to do all your hair. So this is probably like at least like another 5 uses for me. At least. Maybe more. I don't know. So anyway, there's that. We have got, I haven't even tried this one yet. It is the Spascriptions Cucumber Gel Face Mask, a little mini of it. I remember I had one from another brand that I really liked that was like this, so I'm sure I'll like this too. As usual, the handy dandy quartz roller that lives in there always. We have still the Acure Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream, SPF 30, and it is still fucking untouched. Cool, cool. You know, it's summer, and this would be the time to use it, and I still have not done it because I've been focusing on the other one. But at least the other one's almost done. We have the Chase and Rabbits Mindful Bubble Cleanse. This is thankfully getting lower. It's the extra clean one with activated charcoal and bamboo water. We have the Bliss Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all day moisture. This is the full size. And this I haven't tried yet either, but I popped it in because I finished my Hydra Veil finally. As you'll notice, it's not back there. This is in its place. We have the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be very similar to that Bliss one. That's why I haven't dipped into it yet. I just have it in here ready to go for whenever I do feel like it. But yeah, so that's what's on the top shelf. Let me reload all that up, and we will move on to the bottom shelf. Okay, the bottom. Fair warning, the floor of it's going to be grungy because it went not 2 months, it went 3 months this time before I did an update, and I only tend to clean that out when I do these updates, so fair warning, I'm just not looking forward to how gross it probably is looking. But anyway, so we have our Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. This is still about the same spot it was last update, honestly, because I've been focusing on the other one. We've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Still on the first big bottle of this. I have like 2 more of it. But we are currently down to here. It would be further, but I've been working on other serums so much that one's largely kind of been just chilling, but that's okay. We've got, yeah, this one's got some use on it. The Pixie Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist. Yeah, see, I'm glad that I didn't declutter this now, because it is still good. It's totally still fine. So it's a lot lower than it was before. This guy, it's getting closer to done. It's done, I can see through the light. It's now down to here. There's only that much left, so maybe like another use or 2. This one should be donezo, thank God. I'm just over this one. I'm ready to move on to literally any other sunscreen that's not this one. I hate the chalky feel of this one. I cannot with it. I hate it. I want it gone. Will not repurchase. We've got It's wet. The Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Gel Cleanser with VHA and Brazilian seawater. I have not yet tried this. I've been waiting, I don't know for what. I've been waiting to test it out and have not yet done it. So it's kind of just also chilling in there. So that makes 1, 2, 3 cleansers in here right now. I should really polish off at least one of those bad boys. We've also got the Item Beauty Light Sauce Balancing Balancing Gel Moisturizer. I can read. It's shiny, okay? Like, cut me some slack here. It's metallic. But, this is pretty low, I think, at this point, too. I'm trying to see if I can see through the light. I don't think I can on this one, but I'm just gonna, like, take a wild stab and say, I think we're somewhere around here. Like, there's not that much in here. Because I've been using it, like, daily, trying to use it up. So, we have also got this little itty bitty size of the, the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. So it's literally like a dollhouse size, and it's down to here. Like, there is not much left in there, but I have one more of this in this size too. So once this one's gone, I will roll in the new one. We also have this itty bitty Mario Badescu Skincare Vitamin C Serum, also an itty bitty. It's higher, but yeah, not a whole ton in it. We have another moisturizer in here, because clearly I have issues. And I also have not tried this one yet. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Yeah, I know, you're thinking, didn't you just have a Kiehl's in there before? Yeah, but it wasn't the sunscreen one. Therefore, it's different. Therefore, I still need to try it and make a review because it's a different product. Anyway. We still have the remainder of the Honey Jarrett Clean Whip Cleanser. There is not a lot left in there. It's like maybe to about here, I would say. So, I mean, there's still several uses left, but not a whole shit ton. We have the Clara's New York Advanced Serum Vitamin E and Hyaluronic Acid 100. It is down to, I don't know if you can see that. It's down to here. Because it's such a thick, gelish kind of a serum that, it goes really fast. It goes really, really fast. But I do love this one. I would actually highly consider repurchasing this. Just saying. Because it's only like in the $20-ish range. I think it's like $24 for a bottle. Wish it lasted a little longer, but it's a really, really good serum. And I'm back here, because I need to review it, but it's the last one I have of it. The Mountain Dew Gold, which is the pineapple one. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and clean out the bottom. I guess it's not as gross as I thought it was going to be, but let me do that, and then we'll look at the stuff in the door. Okay, so we'll start in on the stuff on the door. So we've still got the 2 of these Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Masks. They've seen a little more use, even though it doesn't freaking look like it. But there's that. Whoop, drop on. Stay. And then there's, I still haven't tried this, full cards on the table, the Pure Heals Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask. One of these days I'll try it. Then on to the sheet masks in the door. We've got a whole lot of the same stuff as last time, probably. We have the Nature Moisture Green Tea 15-minute mask pack. We have the Yes to Cucumbers Calming Bubbling Paper Mask. The Walgreens Anti-Aging Facial Mask with Argan Oil. The, what is this? Benton Aloe Soothing Mask Pack. The Patchology Mood Mask Get Dewy With It Mega Moisture Sheet Mask. The Burt's Bees Renewing Biocellulose Gel Mask with Rose and Algae Extract. The Milani Blueberry Replenishing Facial Mask. The Sephora Pineapple Face Mask. The Sephora Watermelon Face Mask. The Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask, which I think I have a second one of somewhere. Stay. The Nature Juicy Pomegranate Sheet Mask. And finally, the Creme Shop Bulgarian Rose Water Face Mask. So let me load these back in the door and we will finish up. So that's what I've got in my skincare fridge for July of 2023. I will try to get back on my normal schedule of every 2 months with these updates instead of it going 3 like this one did, because that was a complete and total accident. But yeah, so I have a bunch of Project Pan and Empties stuff coming up too for you guys if you're into that kind of content. And a new Project Pan thing that I want to do as well. I want to do Project Turn and Burn, if you're familiar with that one. If not, then when I post the intro video to that, I guess I'll explain. But yeah, so anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.